All right, so we bought noodle, and then what is it? Rice.
Yo, what's
Yo,
up?
what's up? All right, I hope that you are guys so doing well. Today we are in UBUD, and we having breakfast today in UBUD. Very nice, you know, brand new cafe in UBUD with the view of the rice paddies behind us.
And
the
just
farmers.
behind Winny is the farmer who is preparing the rice fields.
Yeah.
So I will show you around. Today is very interesting vlog because we're gonna meet one Balinese guy in UBUD.
Yeah.
So
So here we are in the brand new cafe in UBUD. It's very nice. Look at the sitting area. And then this place is also Instagrammable. Look at this spot. It's beautiful paintings on the walls. Very nice. And then they serve coffee. Very nice. Let's see how it is inside the cafe. So the sitting area basically is just like this with a gardenish decoration. Very nice. Facing the rice paddies, that's another sitting area. Facing the rice paddies. So now is the harvesting season. Very nice. Gardenish flower. Here we are, Damian's breakfast for today. Oh, look at that. It's very huge breakfast.
very nice. Let's see. Yeah.
And coffee with the view. So this is my breakfast. Mie goreng, no nasi, no noodle, no eating. Smacznego. I really like walking in the rice paddies. It's really like, you know, bringing my childhood memories back. I love it. Look at the birds. It's harvesting time, and yeah, so beautiful. The duck is over there. And over there. Nice. And Damian is there in the cafe having breakfast. I really like chasing the duck. Look at this one. Very nice. This is how UBUD. Beautiful rice paddies and ducks in the morning. Walking in the rice pathways. So cool.
Alright, now after Winnie had catch the ducks, we arrived to the market.
Yeah.
Was actually rainy, so we have to be a little bit in rush, but rain is finished, fortunately or unfortunately, because today is Chinese New Year. So happy Chinese New Year to everyone who celebrate. Yes, honey?
Yeah, so now we will buy something for someone special that we told before. We are in the market. Yeah, let's see what we could buy for them. Yeah, so this is the traditional market that is close by the house.
Yeah,
You will see.
we will show you the market. We're gonna buy a few goodies for someone. Also, I would like to finish about the Chinese New Year. If it's rainy during the Chinese New Year's, that's mean as it will be good prosperity for the full entire year. So I hope so that's true. And for me, it can be rain even all day long if this year will be better than last one. Maybe if somebody is celebrate Chinese New Year can confirm that. Much appreciate. However, meanwhile, enjoy the how it looks, the very traditional market outside UBUD, because this is outside UBUD today. A lot of gear, a lot of stuff over here. It's a little bit dark, sorry for the quality. My camera is not holding a low light so bad, so I'm so sorry, but
Ini yang 10 nih. Ini kita nih.
so we're buying the rice. Here's the coconuts, eggs. This is very local traditional market in UBUD. I mean outside UBUD, is actually outside UBUD. Fruit, veg, bananas over there.
Dados.
Sama ini wah.
Dados.
Ini dengan dus tangan.
Satu dos mantan. Yang bawa motor soalnya.
Sudah.
Nggih. Alright, so we bought noodle and then what is it? Rice. So that's our bike is over there.
We would like to buy maybe a little bit more, but we are just driving the bike.
Yeah, we would like to buy more because we didn't have a car at the moment, and then the rest we will just give the money, then maybe they could buy something, because you know, like we just have a small, it's already difficult to carry, you know.
We will give them also a little bit of cash.
Yeah. All right.
So they will enjoy it.
All right, let's go.
Alright, so we are just arrived to the Ketut house. These three brothers, what we make a video a few days ago. Like I said, a few days ago also we got money from the Buy Me a Coffee service. But for our coffee, our brother, some people say coffee, we decided as we will pay it forward some part of this money to Ketut and his brothers. So we bought some stuff for him, some rice, noodles, and also we will give him a little bit of cash, so we'll help him also like you guys help us. I really appreciate, and we will try to help them at least little bit as we can. Yes, Manny?
Yeah, so we send the love, you give our love, we send the love also to them. All right, thank you so much for those who bought us coffee, and then we just share it to the Balinese people that really need it for that. Alright, so we are in Ketut Galleries. We come again here, so we bring some goodies for Ketut. Yeah, because we just bring the bike, so you know that only this, and the rest we will give the money. Alright, so now we are here in again in Ketut, and the family, three brothers family. We are so happy that finally we come here. So today we will give something for them. So yeah, that's already bought. and the rest we give some for you. I hope that this is very meaningful for you that you can use later
Thank
on.
you so much. Thank you for all people who support our business and our family. We from 3 brothers plus 1 family would like to say thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you.
Alright. We would like to say, thank you so much for all of your support and everything. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching. And once again, we would like to say big thank you for those who love all of us here in Bali. So thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Super boy, super boy.
Super boy.
Here she is. Check this out. Oh, honey. Let's see.